In the last video, I showed a picture of a juvenile red-headed woodpecker, and it had a brown head. Here's an adult red-headed woodpecker, and it definitely has an all-red head. I don't know if this is mom or dad, because unlike most woodpecker species, where there is a slight difference between the males and the females, in the red-headed woodpecker, the parents look identical. Red-headed woodpeckers like to live in woodlands with lots of large oak trees because acorns are one of their favorite foods. However, they do have a habit of hawking bugs, which is a little different than most other woodpeckers, meaning that they will be sitting on like a tree trunk or a power pole, and if they see a bug fly by, they just fly off the perch, snatch the bug, and then fly back to the tree to eat it. This shamrock orbweaver is a big, scary-looking spider, about the same size as the black and yellow garden spider that a lot of us are familiar with, otherwise about the size of a quarter. These shamrock orbweavers can vary quite a bit in color if you find them out in the field. This one has a yellow abdomen, but I've seen some that have a bright red abdomen, and then they'll have some white designs in the middle that look sometimes, if you use your imagination, shamrock shaped. They build a big round web, again out in grassy habitats where they specialize in catching grasshoppers, I guess, that happen to hop into that web and get tangled up and end up as shamrock orbweaver dinner. This common sawfly looks a lot like a wasp, but it is not a wasp. However, it is in the same insect order, Hymenoptera, as wasps, bees, and ants. But unlike a wasp, which has a very thin waist, you can see here the common sawfly has a thick waist. Basically, the abdomen blends right in with the thorax there. These common sawflies are named for the fact that females have a serrated ovipositor that slices into plant stems. That's where they lay their eggs, and the larvae will feed on the plant material. As an adult, this common sawfly will either drink flower nectar, or sometimes they catch little bugs to eat. So they are kind of omnivorous, I guess, in that way. Neat thing about a common sawfly, they cannot sting.